This electric side loader truck features an innovative profile frame cab with panoramic glass and a fully enclosed stainless steel body, preventing leakage and odor during transport. Its durable rubber seal ensures total enclosure of waste. Equipped with EPS for responsive steering, it also includes a small refuse inlet on the right for easy disposal of scattered waste. Established in 2003, SATAMZ Group operates 2 major manufacturing centers, specializing in the research, development, production, sales of electric vehicles, tricycles, etc. Welcome to get in touch with us.